My name's Jason Cruz. I'm the founder and president of Rosehill Roofing and Restoration. We're a family-owned business, minority-owned as well. We're a full-service roofing company. We also help out with insurance claims. I would like to consider ourselves essential workers. We're out here helping people out. If there's ever a problem, the first thing people are gonna look to take care of is gonna be their business establishment. That's where they make their money and their highest valued investment. They're always gonna look to take care of that first. And I think first and foremost, if we're able to present ourselves properly and respectfully and be established as well as do good work, then we can definitely take on bigger projects alongside with IKO Innovi. I've been using IKO Commercial products for about 2 years now. It's been super helpful, very easy product to learn and very competitive in this market. I can pick up the phone and call anybody at IKO Commercial and they're gonna answer. I can call any of the inspectors like John. I can call my sales rep like Ryan, and they're always gonna answer my questions. And if they can't, they're gonna always let me know that they're gonna get back to me with the right answer. We're re-roofing 1,800 squares. We tore off one layer of TPO, layer of ISO, layer of flute fill, and we went back with the same roofing system. We're actually installing an induction weld system on this roof. It'll be our first induction weld system with IKO Innovi. I'd say it's one of the easiest systems to install and one of the strongest. This would be my favorite project with IKO Commercial. It's gonna be 6,000 squares of industrial roofing. We haven't finished it up yet. It's actually right here behind me. We got a couple buildings still left to go, and hopefully we'll wrap this up in the next couple months. There's definitely something that stands out about the support that IKO gives me. I get a lot of personal support from the actual reps at IKO, as well as from any technicians that I've met. I think they see a guy who's honest and respectable, and they definitely want to help somebody else out. They're willing to bring you along with them. They're a new product, and I think they want to see other people succeed as well.